my name's Jason Woods. Welcome to Chasing Apex. So today we're just gonna go out and vlog some cars, man. We're gonna do a quick cannon run. Well, I'm with my friend Uwe over there. He's joining us, and my friend Doug. Now Doug brought his Suburu STI. Now he's a true canyon rat. Now you never know this about this guy if you knew him in person. So take note, if you ever meet Doug, this is what he does in his spare time. But we're not gonna do a whole lot. We're just gonna go out and vlog some cars. And so thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and Doug's brakes, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're smoking pretty good. He was going a good clip. Wow. That's crazy, dude.
I was driving along and I'm thinking, do I smell brake pad? And I'm thinking, oh, my window's down. That must be Jason's brake pad.
Holy shit, Doug. So end of drive beers.
Lowest. It's on. Thank you. Cheers.
Say something stupid.
Something stupid.
No, you always say something stupid.
Thanks.
It's a challenge. I bet you I can beat your ass around Thunderhill, east or west, on a stock Cayman S, and beat you in your GT rig.
Okay. Well, I gotta tell you, man, so we already know you're a better driver, but I think that's an interesting challenge. Like, can
We'll have to find out.
Can you beat Kim
With his stock brake pads?
with